Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device. Charge it to at least half and insert the Nano SIM. Power on and pick your language. This begins system configuration and security prompts. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so huge updates don't use mobile data, and sign into your Google and Oppo accounts to restore contacts and apps. Make sure to accept basic permissions for backup and location, so your phone can sync properly and continue with the next steps. You now handle the detailed configuration. Open settings and enable 5G under SIM and network if your carrier supports it, because that gives faster speeds. Next, set up biometric security, fingerprint or face, so unlocking is quick and secure. Once you've customized display and refresh rate for smoothness, install key apps from the Play Store and grant necessary permissions. Also enable automatic backup so your photos and settings sync. This prevents data loss and keeps the phone ready. You finish by updating and optimizing. Check system update to install patches and performance fixes, then tweak battery settings. Adaptive battery and background restrictions extend runtime. Make sure Find My Device is enabled and set an app lock for sensitive apps for added security. Once done, test calls, mobile data, and camera. If something misbehaves, restart first. If issues persist, reset network settings or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up. This usually clears stubborn configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.